Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal cancelled for your protection. So if you have this error, there's more than one fix that you can do. The first one, if you've been sending or receiving many payments recently, try waiting for a few hours before you try again. Also, you can try one day or two before you do that. So if you're trying to trade or something, or you are trying to shop or do another payment, not only Bitcoin, and also this doesn't work with you, try to change the vendor's location. So if you are trading Bitcoin from a very far away location, you may need to try to trade with someone else. Also, double check the phone number and or cash tag of the other person. It could be that Cash thinks you're dealing with someone you didn't mean to. Also, you may need to use Cash App more often to build up constant transactions history. The last thing that you can do is to get in touch with Cash App. So how to actually do that? So first you need to launch the Cash App as see from here. After that you need to go to support. From here you need to click on chat. After that, now you can get in touch with Cash App support and they will help you fix this issue if this is a bug or something. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.